get them up. Everybody up, love it look, yeah, get them up.
Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel, guys. So tonight we're just gonna do like a POV drive. It's been a long time since I used the GoPro, and also I have the 360 camera on the back. I'm just testing it out again, see how it would look on the F10. So whenever I decided to get like flame maps or anything like that, we could make some fire content for you guys. But for right now, we're just testing it out. And make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe and watch the full video, man. We're probably gonna do a little cutting up, but there's traffic right now, so bear with me, guys. So let's get into the video, man. Although right now I think it's gonna be hella traffic right now, but let's see, because today is Monday too, so it's gonna be hell of a traffic, but we're gonna make the POV go on, so stay tuned, guys. Let me see if I could make like a U-turn right here real quick. As you guys could see, we got the 360 on, but we're not recording yet. I'm about to start recording just to see how the 360 would look, but let's do it, guys. Soon I'm gonna have to get the exhaust done, guys, so y'all could hear the exhaust noise, some pops, a little of everything. But for right now, I only got stock exhaust. That's why y'all ain't hearing no pops, no bangs, no nothing. We got a fare over there too, just a little something. But while we're going home, let's see if we see any modified cars on the road or something, so y'all could see. Put up the window real quick. Too much wind. A lot of traffic, guys. do like a little pull, but I'm gonna have to wait till I go around this corner right here. I think there's a lot of sprinklers around this part though. So let's see, guys. This car drives good, guys, no joke. And I also get it on the low. Got it for a low price. And everything drives smooth. No shaky noise, no nothing. None of that. Okay guys, so that was just a little POV drive. I was just testing out my cameras, trying to make sure everything is updated and up to par. But I think that's gonna be the end of the video, end of the mini POV, I should say. Also I still have the 360 camera on the back, but that's gonna be the end of the video, guys. So I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.